In this video, we're going to look at some of the basic objects that are used when managing pages inside of the DIVI theme. So in this video, we're going to go into further detail on exploring the objects that can be dropped into columns using the DIVI builder. So we've clicked on Edit on the home page, and we're going to go in and add a text module into Insert Modules. And you'll see we have quite a number of very cool things that we can add to a website using the DIVI builder. So I'm going to add some dummy text here and then save it. And I'm going to reuse it over here just as an example. And then I'm going to insert an image beside each of these text blocks. So I've got a couple of PNGs here that I've uploaded. And I'm going to hit Set as Image. And I'm just going to duplicate those. And maybe what I'll do is I'll drag one up here just so you can see what it looks like. And then hit Update. Then we'll scoot over to View Page. This is my preferred way of editing a WordPress and DIVI installation, is to toggle between the Edit Page and the View Page options while I'm logged into WordPress. So here we have our full width Law Practice Marketing title there. Here we have a smaller version of it, one per row in between the text columns. So I'm going to do something a little bit different here. I'm going to add a full width slider for this page, which gives me a few more options. What I'm going to do is set a background image from my computer. Which is just a plain textured background. And I'm going to put my slide image as the Law Practice Marketing header. You'll notice these little checkerboard patterns here. This is how WordPress indicates that the image has transparent elements. So in a minute you're going to see the blue from here, the textured blue showing right through that, which is quite nice. I did that within Photoshop. Make sure that everything else is okay here, and I'll hit Save. Now I didn't give my slide a label, so I'm just going to zoom down to the bottom and give that a nice label. Call that Slide 1. And it'll make it easier for me to remember what I was doing later on. I'm going to hit Save and Exit. And I'm going to delete my full width image, leaving just my full width slider, and hit Update. Then I'll hit View Page. And there it is. It needs some work, but we're starting to have a look and a feel come together here. What I'm also going to do is take a couple of my videos that I've created and put them across a row on the front page here, because the video is a big part of the site I'm setting up. So I'm going to scoot down to Video, and what you do here is paste a video URL from YouTube right here in the Upload a Video section. So I'm going to scoot over here and pick out one of my videos here, and I'm going to copy and paste the website address right out of the URL, and then back to editing. Paste that in here and save. And just to save us time while we're working on this together. I'm going to duplicate it just so you can see what the multiple videos will look like across here in a row. And I'm just going to get rid of this image. So we'll hit update. And then view. So you can see our YouTube videos are all set up on the front page, and we can now click on them to play. I think in this case I would rather have them larger so that they're easier to read. So I'm going to jump back in here and reorganize them into larger columns. So I'm going to duplicate these and delete those two, then change the column structure to 2 across. And I'll do the same thing right here. Then I hit update. And back to view page. So that's much nicer. Much easier to read those, and much easier to see them when I play them.